Well, it's the end of the day here at Wayne Auto Works. All the guys have gone home. Everything's banged up. Just ready to leave myself. I gotta take a quick shot at some of the cars that are still inside here for the night. Been about a year since we did this. It's always cool stuff. A lot of cars outside that are covered. This is a nice 05 C6 Corvette. Excuse the movement with the camera, of course. Z51 package. Just has some minor modifications. Exhaust, K&N. Drives great. Low mileage. Nice car. An absolutely beautiful 65. Small block. Green rag top. Tan top. Black interior. Gorgeous, gorgeous restoration. Guy's a nice guy. Actually, he's getting picked up tomorrow. The car's done. Had some brake issues along with some other issues. Imagine that, a C2 Corvette with a brake issue. That never happens. We'll move on. A little German flavor here. 450 SL 77. Real nice condition. Straight car. Everything works. Two-owner car. It's got about 60,000 miles on it. Got a 70. C3, side pipes, stick car, small block, runs nice, motor's been redone. Here for some AC and blower and fan issues. Another nice guy. And we got a 76, I'm sorry, my mistake. 76, C3. Beige color was a real popular color back then. See if we can get a little better shot of this. Here for extensive electrical work. Been a long restoration. Car was apart. Just about nothing worked on the car electrically. Battery went dead overnight. Nasty, nasty stuff. Terminals in the fuse box that didn't have current. Grounds that were alive. Sparks everywhere. How the car didn't catch on fire is a miracle. It'll be done soon. Nothing worked, including the windows, the doors. You couldn't get in the car. So it was a bit of a nightmare. We'll get this thing straightened out. Needs quite a bit. We've got some nice cars outside. Got a 70 Torino GT. 4-speed 351 Cleveland car. That's all covered up out there. Bench seat. Green on green. Neat car. We got a Nova out there, small block with 2 4-barrels sticking out of the hood. Fun car. 66 Mustang. That's out there now. Just walking down here. Did a lot of work on that. Was sitting for 3+ years, I believe. So was the Torino, for that matter. Got him running, doing some other work on it. And we just keep moving on. We actually have a waiting list at this point. Get rid of a few of these projects. Got some more stuff coming in. A little tight to move around in here. But we're doing the best we can. All good stuff. All right, till next time.